I'm Suhasini, and I would like to start with saying I really resent being called anti-development, because over the last 30 years, if there's somebody who has fought to develop the Crown, it's me. I have 7 public projects built on the Crown, and each one was an uphill task with every development group that did not want to locate public projects on the Crown. So please, don't call me anti-city, anti-galaxy, anti-Crown, and infantilize my input, okay? Now, coming to the subject that I want to bring in. So you have done the survey. And as any person who is involved in planning, development of architecture knows, that the survey is just an informational basis on which there are 4 other surveys that have to be done. Otherwise, you cannot actually undertake urban planning. Urban planning is not about drawings and it's not about surveys. It's actually about political, social, economic, and environmental issues. So I would like to know from the TDC, given their capacity, and I'm not going to be harmonizing and say that they have the capacity. They neither have acquired nor academic capacity. So let's be honest about it. When are they going to actually table 4 major studies that have been done that addresses these 4 issues? And each of these studies have been done with work orders from TDC, and just because the outputs were not so comfortable to a certain lobby within Auroville, they have been sidelined. Mr. Doshi, with a whole group of Aurovillians, spent months translating the galaxy to the ground reality in a way that the next 2 steps, which is actually doing the land suitability study for land use, that would take into account present land use and projected land use as per the master plan. Second one would be identifying development priorities, looking at Auroville's development and the directions that we want to go, which was also undertaken. And the third is looking at what is it that we want to do, the developmental directions that takes the intent, goal, and the raison d'etre Auroville. And if all this is reduced to somebody telling me that the Matrimandir is a soul and the Crown will release the soul using some kind of dim-witted logic, I am sorry, it is actually marginalizing and infantilizing very detailed and pertinent questions. And so I really would like to know from the TDC, when are you actually going to get competent people who are in this community to be consulted and take into account the political, socio-economic, and environmental aspect of the studies already done and the development priorities that have already been done with your work order and the land use study that has already been done, and on top of it, the regional planning studies that have been done. All these studies give you indicators with challenges and with opportunities which do not reflect either in the words of the TDC or in the actions of the TDC. So when you start quoting to support whatever dumb-witted thing that you're putting out to us, maybe it can be reduced to, are you for the city or not for the city, so we can marginalize you. I am really sorry. I do not accept that I am actually facing a planning group that does not even understand what planning is about.
Thank you, Suhasini. I respect your frustrations and I understand your frustrations. And what I could understand as a question is, when are we going to get the competent people who are in the community to be consulted? We have been trying in the last 8 months, honestly, reaching out to people, inviting people to be part of the technical team of Lavanya do Auroville. We are very open and we would like to sincerely see that the technical experts in Auroville are willing to come and take it forward. But at the onset, I should also say, look, we do also have certain handicaps. We don't have funds. we request everybody in Auroville to generously contribute to Lavinier, so that we could, at this crucial stage, we could actually move forward, hire the best people, because this dream needs really competent people to move forward. And we don't doubt that. We definitely need those. And we have already put it out, we have sent it out to the community. We have put up these posters in town hall requesting people to come and collaborate with us in the field of technical expertise. Now, saying this, it doesn't mean that we are unilaterally sitting and working here. Right now, TDC is encouraging the process of dream catching, to take Crown as an example, a part of the Crown, and to see how we can collectively manifest. So this is somewhere we would like to say that we are engaging with people, we are talking to people, we definitely would like to engage with people. We are in touch with Doshi's office. We would like them to collaborate with us. We are in touch with other experts in the outside world, whether it could be David Stein, whether it's Andrea Camerata, whoever it is. We are reaching out to them and we are in talk with them. We would like to bring in all the best expertise to see how we could collectively move forward. The only way for us is to leave our past baggages, leave our frustrations behind, and come and sit and work together purely on the level of the technical expertise. As an architect, I would like to request this from you. You being a senior architect of this community, you having years of experience in architecture, your knowledge is of tremendous value to the community, and we would like to channelize it in the most rightful way, and we would really like to respectfully handle it. So for us, it's about, let us come and sit and work together. I think let us disagree to agree on the basis of knowledge. I think that through that, everybody will grow. You challenge us with your knowledge. We put you across with somebody who has somebody of equal knowledge, and let there be a constructive debate, discussion. I think that's the way I believe we could build Auroville. Thank you so much.